The police said that social media personality Anika Townsend, otherwise called Slickianna, was found dead. The body was found by a person walking along the main road, saw the body floating in the sea at Reading, St. James. The police was called in. The body was retrieved from the water for identification. Her relatives were contacted by the police. The relatives identified the body of the person, and unfortunately it was Anika's body. The police named a person of interest, Rushane Patterson. He's 33 from Prosper, Hanover. He's identified as a person of interest in the probe of the death of Anika Townsend. The police said that he must report to the Freeport police station by 5 p.m. Saturday. Rushane Patterson is a person known to the police. He absconded bail. He was being tried for murder, attempted murder, and rape. Rushane seems to be well known to the Western Police Division due to his past. Rushane Patterson, I'm asking you to turn yourself over to the nearest police station immediately. Or anyone who knows his whereabouts contact the police. My heart goes out to her relatives. Please stop all violence against the females, please. I'm asking all female to keep safe. God protect you all.